Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw TRX from Crypto.com to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process is simpler than you might think, and I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently moving your TRX assets across platforms. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Coinbase, and that your TRX is available in your Crypto.com wallet. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select TRX from your list of assets. This is where you'll see your current TRX balance. Step 2. Hit the Withdraw button next to your TRX balance. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Here, you'll need to input your Coinbase wallet address. Pro tip: always use the exact address from Coinbase to avoid any mix-ups. Copy and paste it directly to prevent errors. Step 3. Specify the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any network fees. For TRX, you'll likely be using the Tron network, which is usually low cost. Review the transaction details carefully, then confirm the withdrawal. You'll probably need to approve this via email or an authenticator app. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect in your Coinbase account, depending on network congestion. Head over to Coinbase, log in, and check your TRX balance to confirm the transfer. A quick word of caution: always verify the minimum withdrawal amounts and current fees on Crypto.com, as these can change. And remember, crypto prices fluctuate, so time your transfers wisely. There you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Crypto.com to Coinbase in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.